In the crowded marketplace of accounting and payroll software, businesses are constantly seeking solutions that are not only robust in features but also straightforward to use. This is especially true for small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, where owners often wear many hats, including that of the bookkeeper or payroll manager, without necessarily having a formal accounting background. Patriot software frequently comes up in these discussions as an affordable and seemingly simple option. But the big question for many is Patriot software truly easy to use? As an accounting software expert, I can confidently state that Patriot software is widely considered to be very easy to use, especially for its core payroll and basic accounting functionalities. Its design philosophy prioritizes simplicity and accessibility, making it a strong contender for small businesses and those who prefer a less overwhelming interface compared to some of its more feature-rich and often more complex competitors. Let's delve into what contributes to Patriot software's reputation for ease of use. Intuitive user interface and navigation. One of the first things you'll notice about Patriot software is its clean, uncluttered user interface. The designers at Patriot have clearly focused on presenting information and tasks in a logical, straightforward manner. Simple layout. The dashboard and navigation menus are typically free of excessive jargon or overwhelming options. This means users, even those new to accounting software, can quickly find what they need without getting lost in a labyrinth of menus. Plain English terminology. Patriot generally avoids highly technical accounting terms, opting instead for plain English labels and descriptions. This significantly reduces the learning curve for individuals who may not have a formal accounting education. Logical workflow. Tasks, particularly in the payroll module, are often presented in a step-by-step wizard format. For example, running payroll usually involves a few clear steps: entering hours, reviewing calculations, and approving. This guided approach minimizes errors and ensures users complete all necessary actions. Streamlined setup and onboarding. Getting started with new software can be a daunting project in itself. Patriot software addresses this with a focus on making the initial setup as painless as possible. Setup wizards. Whether you're setting up your company details, adding employees, or configuring payroll taxes, Patriot provides intuitive wizards that walk you through each step. These wizards often include helpful prompts and explanations to ensure you input correct information. Free setup assistance. A significant advantage, particularly for payroll, is that Patriot offers free setup assistance. This means their support team can help you input employee data, year-to-date payroll information, and tax settings, which can be a huge time saver and provide peace of mind that everything is configured correctly from the start. This level of hand-holding is invaluable for new users. Data import options. While some manual data entry might be required, Patriot facilitates importing existing data, such as your chart of accounts or employee information, to ease the transition from another system or spreadsheets. Core functionality designed for simplicity. Patriot software's strength lies in its focused approach to core functionalities, payroll and basic accounting. It doesn't try to be an all-encompassing ERP system with every imaginable feature, which often adds complexity. Payroll simplicity. For many small businesses, payroll is a primary concern. Patriot's payroll module is consistently praised for its ease of use. Running payroll often takes just a few clicks, and the system automatically calculates wages, taxes, and deductions. For those on the full-service payroll plan, Patriot also handles tax filings and payments, significantly reducing the administrative burden and complexity for the user. Basic accounting. The accounting module is designed for essential bookkeeping tasks like invoicing, expense tracking, managing vendors, and basic financial reporting. It offers both cash basis and accrual accounting options. While it might not have the advanced inventory management or project profitability tracking of more complex systems, its core features are presented in an easy-to-understand manner suitable for those without extensive accounting knowledge. Bank reconciliation. The ability to easily import bank transactions and reconcile accounts is a crucial accounting function that Patriot aims to simplify, often through automated matching features. Accessible support and resources. Even the most intuitive software can present questions or challenges. Patriot software is known for its strong customer support, which further contributes to its ease of use. USA-based support. They offer accessible support via phone, email, and live chat, often highlighted by users for being responsive and helpful. This human-centric approach to support means you can get answers in plain language, rather than navigating complex online documentation or chatbots. Contextual help. The software often includes help icons, question marks and circles, or video icons directly within the interface. Hovering or clicking on these provides quick explanations or links to relevant help articles and video tutorials, offering just-in-time assistance without leaving your workflow. Comprehensive Help Center. Patriot maintains an extensive online help center with articles and videos that break down various processes into easy-to-follow steps.